So folks, our barbers are a new team and they want to see their profile looking good. And when we quickly look at it, we know that as a new team member building the site, we're going to need some information changing. This means nothing at all to our individual team member. So if we go into our site here, and we can then go to our team members, we can find Andrew Wolf, and Andrew Wolf is here, and he actually wants to get called Andy. Andy sounds more comfortable, so we can put in here with years of experience, having worked in top salons, having worked in top salons. Okay, so we know he's a position of the barber. Yeah, that's fine. Andy is a wizard on the hairstyles. Now, making this particular video, I would suggest that he's probably won his awards in 2022, and he was nominated there as a barber in 23. We could choose a number of other things, so for example 22, so we could say it's 21. I was also thinking of lockdown at this point, and I reckon he must have been there from 2018, or at least, yeah, let's go for 2018. And we can change his positions and all the rest of it, as you can see. Plus 447. Well, you can have my telephone number, and he can have Andy at appointments fairest websites.co.uk. So there we go. We have the option to add his Instagram details. That changes media here, but overall, let's quickly do that, and let's go to preview and see what we have now. Hopefully we're going to see Andy has changed, and yes, Andy has changed, and this is exactly how you would administer your website and put information in about your member of staff. It's a fast, efficient way of doing it. We can edit all of this as we require to, and we can put new staff in, take the photographs, upload photographs, etc. All these options are there if using the software that we're highlighting here, which is Crockerblock Appointments, so the Jetappointments, it's Crockerblock brand, using Elementor and also connecting those two to actually bring the posts of the individual team member right to the front. My name's John Fairest. I'm showing you a series of videos on our particular appointment site, which is here. And the idea behind it is to show you how you can edit your site to allow for your team to be visible and for people to see what they're all about. Thank you.